I'm really excited. I love doing these classes. Last night we talked a lot about how we speak with people, how we speak with prospects, how we open with the prospect, how we close a prospect. We talked a little bit earlier in a couple classes ago about the money making activities. And I mentioned something to you guys, and it's very true to this day, as it has always been. Member who can get the people out to the most events, to the most calls, to the most trainings, to the most this or that will be the member who has the largest team. That's how network marketing works. And we are going to focus a lot tonight on how to get people out to those events, on your calls, and different things of that sort. So contacting and inviting. And again, if you haven't seen all these classes, do yourself a favor, go back and watch all of them. I promise you, you will pick some stuff up. That's why I did that last night. I made that short live video and asked people to comment, and I appreciate your comments because honestly, the more well-trained our team is, the faster our team will grow for all of us. It's going to help everybody. And I've actually had people tell me that they've used some of the techniques we've taught in these classes at their own jobs, and it's increased their performance. So I'm just telling you, this is not just something you'll learn and use for our network and our network only. These are skills that you can learn and that can carry over in a lot of different aspects of your life. So it's a lot of good information. So the invitation, the purpose of an invitation is to invite prospects to learn more about what you do. It is not time to make a full presentation or sell them the products or your service. A lot of times people will say they'll invite and they'll try to spill everything on them, and then the prospect thinks, well, I know everything I need to know now. I've got to figure it out. No, I don't want to go. I'm not interested. You only give them enough information and to get them to go to the event, to get on the three-way call, to get on the Zoom, whatever it may be. So you don't have to go out and try to do a full presentation. I know one thing a lot of people have used in the past and it's works. It's like, you know what? I won't do you justice if I try to explain the entire thing to you because I'm still kind of learning as I'm going. But it would be nice to go there, and as a business partner, I'll go with you or whatever I need to do. Let's go check this out because I do believe this could have value for you, whatever. There's a lot of ways to do it. But tips for inviting, let's go through each and every one of these tips. We only have about 5-6 pages to do tonight, so we can spend a lot of time on each section. Set your goal of how many prospects you wanted to attend your event. Have a specific place where you are inviting them to, home, webinar, Zoom, whatever it may be, a lot of different things. Have a time available in your calendar and know when you want to book it in advance because you need to give yourself plenty of time to get people to that event. Don't do this last minute. Don't be the last minute guy. So, oh, by the way, we have a call tonight. Be on it tonight and expect people to show up tonight because more times than not, that does not happen. Be in a hurry when you call. You don't have all day to speak. Brief, quick, and to the points when you make the invitations. Expect a yes or a no. You don't want a maybe or I'll try to come. That is literally a slow no. Get a definitive answer. Coming, yes or no. Don't do this maybe stuff. Maybe just means no, but they are too polite to say no. So get a yes or no because you really, that's very, very important. That's actually probably my favorite one out of all of these. Have excitement in your voice, but not too much excitement. Keep your cool. Whenever you're sharing something with someone, don't get too overly excited where they think, oh gosh, here we go, this guy's nuts or whatever, and this is too good to be true, that kind of thing. You have to be very cool, calm, and collected. Have excitement in your voice, but don't oversell it. Because if you oversell it, it sounds fabricated, it sounds too good to be true, and they're just not going to show up. And I'm going to give you some techniques I've used personally. I've gotten people to a lot of events over the years, and I really get them to commit. And I follow up, and I make sure they show up. I'll call them. I've picked people up. I've met people there. I've met them at the house, driven them. All sorts of different ways that I've done it. Know your script in advance. We're going to go over some of that stuff on a later page. Practice it before you make the calls. Now, I told you last night that last time I used a script was pretty much never. That's true. Now you could have small scripts as far as inviting people to an event. That's a little different, but I still don't love scripts. I just kind of go where the conversation takes me. But some people love them. Some people love them. And you may start with a script, but you'll see very quickly that you won't even need a script. Over time, you won't need one. Always invite more people than you anticipate showing up. I would invite at least 2 to 3 times as many people as I anticipate showing up. If I want 3 people there, I'll invite 9 or 10. I won't invite 3 because all 3 won't show up. The chances of 100% of your invitees showing up are the chances of my Rams winning the Super Bowl this year, which are slim to none. So it's not, don't just invite 3 people if you want 3 people to go. Invite 9 or 10 people. Invite as many people as you can. Get your prospect to admit they are good at keeping appointments. And well, we're going to really dive into some of this stuff as well. On the day of the appointment, I like to send a quick text to confirm. I always do that. I love to confirm appointments. I always do that. If your event is local and so are your prospects, pick them up or meet them at a neutral location. Maintain your posture and intention. Do not ever beg. You've got to remember what we've got here. And you've got to understand the value of what we've got here. Let me tell you some things I've done to invite people to our network events, to my calls, to the live events, things of that sort. I've actually shown them what I've saved money on. I sat down and said, look, I just saved this much money on my car. How'd you do that? Well, come check this out. Come learn how I did it. What do you mean? Well, come to this event. Get on this call. I'm in this group. I'm in this company. I'm saving all over the place. Here's a couple of the things I've saved money on. I want to teach you how to do that. Oh, and by the way, you can earn an income doing it, but you got to really come check this out because honestly, I'll try to sit there and explain it to you, but I know we don't have all day. Let's just go. What time tomorrow? I'll pick you up. Let's do this. You want to know how I save this money? Here's your chance. I'm going to show you how to do it. And you know what? You might as well make some money on the side doing this too. Oh gosh, is this one of those MLMs? So what do you mean one of those MLMs? I said, yes, there's networking involved. But what have I sold you? What do you mean? Well, am I asking you to go show up to buy a juice, a pill, a powder? No. What did you ask me? You asked me how I saved money. I'm showing you how I saved money. I want you to come and see how I saved money and why I'm so excited about this, saving money. And I save money when I help other people save money. And there's no catch. That's what I love about it. Come check it out. Let's go together. What time? 6 o'clock. Pick you up at 5:30. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Get on the call. Call's at 6. I'll call you at 5:30 to confirm. Okay, great. Will you be on that call? Yes or no? Did you hear what I just said? Everyone listening? I didn't say, will you be on that call? And stop talking. I said, as a person inviting them, will you be on that call? And then I continue to speak, yes or no. Give me a yes or a no. You give them those 2 options. Don't accept a maybe like we said. Yes, I'll be on the call. Great. I'm going to call you at 5:30 to confirm. Is that okay? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, great. Remember, 5:30, I'll confirm. I may even send them a text or something at 3 o'clock saying, hey, I'm calling you at 5:30 to confirm that 6 o'clock. See you on the call. Not will you be on the call. See you on the call. There is an art to inviting people. There is an art to getting people to show up. And follow-up is a big, big part of it. Always confirm. And always tell them you're going to confirm. And get a definitive yes or a no. If they tell you no, okay, no. All right, is it just a bad time for you? Don't stop because there's other events. Is it a bad time? I would really love to show you how I'm saving this money. I'd really love to show you how I earn by helping people save money. If that's not a good time, you know what? Let's do the one the next night. 6 o'clock Tuesday night, yes or no? No? Okay, still not working for you, huh? I see. Well, that stinks. Well, you know what? Wednesday night, 6 o'clock, yes or no? Well, you know what? 6 o'clock's not good for me. Okay, no, fair enough. Let's do a three-way call with my person who introduced this to me. When is a good time for you? I don't know, about 3 o'clock's the best. Okay, what day of the week's better for you? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 3. Okay, great. I will line it up. Let me line it up. Let's chat, and we'll get you on a call with the person who introduced this to me. Yes or no? Okay, yes, fair enough. Okay, great. You say 3 o'clock's your best time? Great. Let's go ahead and do that. There's an art to this. There's an art. They say no, it doesn't mean that they're saying no to the whole thing. They're saying no for that day and that time, that night, that evening, that call, that moment. Don't let them off the hook that easy. You go in there and just give them another option. Keep giving them an option until they say yes. There you go. Okay, with my sponsor then. Well, you may not want to be on a call with 50 people. I understand that. That's because you, me, and my sponsor, and you can ask him or her all the questions you want. They can show you how they save too. Now not only do you get to see my savings, you get to see their savings. And everyone you talk to, you'll be able to see how much money they're saving. Isn't that cool? You get to see all these ways people save money and earn money in the meantime. This is really, really cool. And you really want to learn about it. You asked me to tell you about it. You told me you're interested, so I want to help you learn more about it. Let's get you on this call. Today work for you, tomorrow work to you, for you what time? Let's do this bad boy. Yes or no? A lot of different ways to do it.